batteries. We love them. But no matter how hard you try, they just don't quite come out right. And who can live without the GPS in the car? You can never reach it when that important turn comes around. Trying to prop up your phone for hands-free driving is almost impossible. Until now, meet NanoHold. Nano suction for your mobile device, smartphones, and tablets. NanoHold looks simple, but with nano suction technology, NanoHold material has millions of microscopic suction cups. NanoHold sticks without being sticky, so you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces. Taking group photos with your phone can be as easy as a simple stick by using NanoHold with your phone. Now everyone can get in the picture. In the car, NanoHold makes any phone hands-free. Feels safe to chat with friends. Just stick and go wherever the road may lead you. Getting ready on the go is always a challenge. But with the nano suction technology, NanoHold gives you an extra hand when you need it. Make it easy to give your recipe a look while you're trying to cook. Work on your car hands-free while still being able to see. Have easy access and never lose your phone in the piles on your desk again. NanoHold adds a new dimension to your smart devices. With revolutionary nano suction technology, you can place your smartphone or tablet on many smooth, flat surfaces, leaving you hands-free. The ultra-slim profile of NanoHolds doesn't change the size of your phone, so it will still fit in your pocket or the side pockets of your purse. NanoHold, the nano suction for your mobile device that will make the people in your life smile. NanoHold, simple and easy to use for your smartphone and tablet. Get your NanoHold today.
This is not the future I was promised. Wi-Fi routers are dumb machines, and they make us act like dumb people.
Have you tried unplugging it for 30 seconds?
Yes, we unplugged it. These machines worked just fine a decade ago when I only had one computer. But now my house has more connected devices than I can even count. I want a modern Wi-Fi network that's reliable and consistent wherever I am in the house. A network that's fast and secure. A network that keeps kids like my nephew out of harm's way. Enter Luma, an intelligent Wi-Fi system that actually delivers on the promise of fast, reliable internet. It surrounds you with Wi-Fi using technology that was previously only available to large companies. You put one here, another one there. Immediately, you're up and running. We call it surround Wi-Fi. Luma's smart enough to know things like what devices you're using, what networks are interfering, and where potential problem spots are. So it can make smart decisions to get you the fastest data everywhere. And of course, no network should be without a good security system. I can easily grant people access to my network and just as easily revoke it. And speaking of that, I can rest easy knowing that Luma has modern parental controls, so I can limit the kid to G-level websites and monitor to make sure he's not up to any shenanigans. I can even set time limits or pause the internet, like during dinner time.
Yay, awesome.
Here, go plug this in. I love you. Speed, safety, security. This is the future I was promised. This is Luma.
This is the Smart Feeder from PetNet, your feeding companion. Control your pet's feedings from your smartphone and get notifications like feeding times, meal confirmations, and food supply. Manage feeding times and portion sizes, making sure your pets are well fed. Match your pet with ideal food recipes and gain insightful feedback to ensure your pet is getting just the right amount of food. And convenient delivery brings pet food right to your doorstep, so you never have to worry about running out of food ever again. The PetNet Smart Feeder. Healthy pets, happy owners.